Alright, this is going to be system test 7? No, 6. Yeah, 6. Okay, yeah, I just put this back up. I have this down here now, not on here anymore. And I tried to wire this in with my spectral alert in my closet way on the other side of my house, but I completely failed at that. See, that goes up there. And in there, that used to be the like 1980s bell wire or something, I can't remember, but security system bell. But anyway, now I only have my spectral alert out there instead of this because I couldn't figure out which of the, okay, I'm just going to say hundreds of wires up there, literally hundreds of wires that are all in like a 7x7 knot are up there for no reason at all. Anyway, I'm rambling, so here's system test 6. Okay, now I'm going to do a subsequent alarm once I find my key. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one. And that is obviously not a smoke detector. So, now I'll show you guys what I did. And that's this wire going down in here and then into my third neck slot. So I'll go show you guys what's in there. I'm doing this at like 10 o'clock at night for some reason. You can see it flashing. Can't see it very well. Ah, there we go. Yeah, it's pretty bright in here. Hold on, I'll turn this off. Yeah, this is definitely bright. Yeah, it took me about 3.5 hours to finally get that wired up there. I'll show you guys eventually what it looks like up in my attic because it's a hellhole up there right now and I can't get to anything anymore. So let's reset this. So I found my simplex key. There it is, I think, yes. And what the heck, I'll reset from this. That's what it says when you... Yep, I guess we won't save. Oh, and yeah, and I had to write these instructions because it went off the other day. And my dad got really mad at me. And he had to call me, and he couldn't figure out how to get it off. And I had this on max volume continuous horn, by the way. So that was system test 6. Thanks for watching.